Whoa, whoa, whoa! Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel! And I don't have a hat on, I have a haircut. That's really weird. First of all, I've been gone for like 2 weeks from YouTube, which is a long time for me. And I got a haircut. And I'm not wearing a hat. And I'm filming on my phone. Something's wrong. And we just woke up and it's super early. Guys, we've been crazy busy at the gym lately. And we finally have our grand opening party today, which is going to be awesome. So, got this little video for you. We're headed over actually to Joe's house because Joe's going to drive the Fox body to our caffeining cars. So it's pretty cool. We're going to park some cars on the turf for caffeining cars today, and then we have our actual grand opening party after that. If you guys don't know, we've always done caffeining cars once a month with a charity, and now that our big gym is finally open, we're going to hold caffeining cars there every time now. So it's going to be awesome. But anyways, we're headed over to Joe's. Joe and I are gonna go get some coffee and some breakfast. We're getting Hut's burritos. Yeah. Kennedy's upset. You look like E.T. with your...
I'm going back to bed.
Kennedy's going back to bed, of course. But yeah, so I've just been really busy opening up the gym. Haven't even touched the Mustang. The Mustang's still down, but I'll get to that in another video. So hopefully once the grand opening party is over today, things will kind of start to slow down a little bit and we can get back to regular videos and working on the Mustang. But for now, you're gonna have to enjoy some Streetcar Joe content. You see, I don't come around for like a month and look what this guy picks up. Holy smokes.
Don't you record this?
I'm not.
I heard you didn't start. My neighbor's bedroom's right there. I'm trying to be a nice neighbor.
Well, you're an asshole. Who parks a trailer in the driveway that big?
And then once you get me out, hold on.
Oh my god.
You hit the enter on the garage back.
Why is this thing so heavy?
Yeah. That
oh my
not.
god.
And maybe that's because it's got so much fuel.
4,000 pounds. Is this a Hellcat? Turn! By the way, I just pushed his car out. Streetcar my ass. Hey, wait for me! This is not gonna help. Starting it all the way over here.
Yeah, it is. Oh, easy. Easy. Oh my gosh.
Ow!
Dave!
Hey,
Have
Joe.
you forgotten how to get in a car?
Golly, why does this thing have so many bars? Where's my seatbelt? I don't have a seatbelt. Sweet.
Did you pull my battery pull?
Are you kidding me?
Did you pull my battery?
No, you didn't say that part.
Wake up, neighborhood. Did you close the garage?
Yeah. There's water. What?
Streetcar.
Yeah, bullshit.
7 o'clock in the morning, we're just on our way to get some breakfast.
Can't even let it warm up because your neighbor's
You don't need to. Streetcars, you just hop in and go.
God damn it. Nothing like a good old methanol can.
Where were you last night? We were out getting ice cream in the streetcar.
Yeah, what was that shit?
I waited for you to show.
Joe, where have you been, man? The people are wondering.
Where I was in, working in the garage, out racing. Where have you been?
I've been sleeping.
Yeah, that's all you do. Oh, there goes all the methanol.
Oh boy, wow. Hope you brought some rags.
No one on the road.
That's nice, man.
Thanks, buddy. Kind of like air
had to get some breakfast at good old HUD's. Joe, where's the cup holders?
Alright, hand me a drink. Oh yeah, you don't have a cup holder. You
Wait,
got
what?
yours. I have a cup holder, but you have electronics.
Trying to whack my fucking head this time.
Careful, buddy.
Holy shit.
Now we're probably just gonna turn it off once or twice to let the car cool down.
Sun's coming out. No big deal.
No big deal.
Dude, you should put a radio in there for the weekend.
We should have. That's a good idea.
Nice.
You want me to turn the CO2 on?
Oh, please God, no. That's not funny.
I think it's funny.
Now that it runs perfect. With our fucking eyes burning. Why are you guys crying?
David's emotional. Is the back open?
It should be. Or we're about to open it. Just pull back there. Back here so I can open it. Oh yeah, look who also showed up. Very interesting. But yeah, if you guys haven't seen the gym, it's pretty much what the inside looks like. It's track upstairs, all the cardio, but it's pretty cool. We're gonna park all the cars here today. Streetcar Joe, ladies and gentlemen, in the building. This is the only time you'll see Joe at the gym. Hey, you're rolling! Fucking like pull the turf up when you Spoily boy.
Because you told the whole fucking drive.
How ridiculous this is. Oh, look, a C8. turn in.
It's a truck motor junkyard.
Hi, Joe. Only takes 20 minutes to get on the two-step. Goddamn. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Taking Streetcar Joe's car to the grand opening of Contagion Athletics. Tried to show you guys a little bit of video of the inside, but man, it was packed. It was awesome. Thanks everyone that came out. I'm gonna show you guys a little drive around of what the outside of the building looks like. Kevin's got a ton of videos on his channel on the gym, so I don't want to bombard my channel with the gym stuff. I kind of keep that separate, but I'll show you guys. This is our, oh, look at that cracked windshield. So this is our drive-through window for the cafe, which is not currently open, but should be open in the next week or two. And then this is the main entrance. There is a jet engine in there from an A4 Skyhawk.
Look at that douchebag who parked like that.
And this is the front of the building. Tons of glass, which is awesome because it makes the building feel more open. Natural lighting. And so downstairs, all the squat racks and deadlift platforms are right there. Upstairs, all the cardio machines. There's a dumbbell room right there in the corner. And then above that's the cable machine room. I don't know whose truck that is. And then this is the back side, just some more parking area. No one really parks back here yet. But yeah, there's 42 yards of turf in there. As you guys saw where the cars were parked, that was probably the coolest thing we got to do, is park all the cars on the turf. Luckily, no one leaked and made stains on them or on the turf. Shout out, Joe. And then there's the backside. So there's a track up there. It's an Olympic style indoor track. And then we got the airplane hangar door, as you guys saw Joe pull through. So hopefully you guys enjoyed me finally making a video after like 3 weeks of being absent from YouTube. We've got some updates coming on the Mustang soon, and maybe some updates on the truck actually. Figured a few things out about that. But Ken Dog?
I'm tired.
Ken Dog is tired, dog. We partied a little bit. We don't ever party, but we partied a little bit last night for the grand opening. So
Yeah, we had a little bit
of fun. But now it's time to get back to work, get back to YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. I'll see you guys